We're going to take $2,000 trades here. We have a Doji break. This means that in a range, when the Doji is broken by a candle, we're going to have retracement. And it really doesn't look like it, but I promise you that the next candle is going to be red. And you're going to learn all about this, but I just wanted to show you how this works. And especially with two larger trades, okay? So we're just going to talk for less than a minute because that is how long it takes to get this. It's very simple. Now, if this were in a trend where we have lots of greens going up or we have lots of reds going down and we have a Doji, we're not going to take it there. We're going to take it in a range, okay? And you're still thinking, no, Kristin, this is not going to come down. You're not going to make it. But I do. I promise you that I do. Because this is how Doji breaks work. When it is broken, when there's a Doji in a range, it's going to come back down. Even if you lose the previous one, it's going to come down and you're going to get it. And we just won